Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to compare Otter.ai, Plaud, and Whisper. Otter.ai, Plaud, and Whisper each excels in AI transcription but serve different needs. Otter.ai delivers accurate real-time transcription with speaker identification and keyword highlights. It's ideal for meetings, interviews, and team collaboration with its intuitive interface and cloud syncing. Some features require a paid plan, but it's one of the most user-friendly transcription tools available. On the other hand, Plaud is a lightweight AI transcription tool designed for fast, secure, and accurate voice-to-text conversion. Its clean interface and quick results make it ideal for individual users and professionals on the go. While it lacks advanced features, it excels in ease of use and structured transcription. Meanwhile, Whisper is a powerful open-source transcription tool developed by OpenAI supporting many languages. It delivers high accuracy and work offline but requires technical setup and command line usage. It is ideal for developers or advanced users who need full control and flexibility in transcription tasks. In my opinion, Otter.ai is best for ease and collaboration, Plaud for privacy and simplicity, and Whisper for accuracy and full control. Thank you everyone for watching this video. Hope you get some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe. Goodbye.